want to make soap for health reasons, you want a new hobby, to make fabulous gifts for others, or make some extra money making soap as a side business, this course will show you how. Hi, I'm Shona, and I've been teaching soap making for over 15 years. I started teaching hands-on courses with students coming from all over the country to attend. Even though the students were complete beginners, some of them went on to start their own successful soap business. One was even featured in a quality women's magazine, and another exhibited at a large exhibition at Earl's Court in London. This course will take you through exactly what you need to know to make soap so fabulous that everyone you show it to will be desperate to get their hands on it. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who has tried to make soap unsuccessfully in the past. So don't waste your time searching around trying to find free tutorials, having to piece bits of information together from varying sources, and hoping you might have found all the information that you need to know. It just ends up in mistakes and wastes time and money, as well as running the risk of quite possibly causing serious injury to yourself or someone else. In this course, I'll show you how to make soap safely, using ingredients that you can buy in your local supermarket or health food store. I'll show you how to source equipment and molds locally at rock bottom prices, or even free, so that you can get started right away at little cost. I'll also show you how to use natural and specialist colours. I'll teach you about the different options for fragrances and also their properties. Using the wrong oils could lead to disasters in your soap making. As soon as you enroll in the course, you will have instant lifetime access so that you can watch it at your own pace from anywhere in the world, whenever you want. And remember, the course comes with Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click on the Take This Course button right now and start making wonderful looking, fabulous smelling soaps with your own natural ingredients. I'm looking forward to seeing you in